Construction is underway to update a roadway near downtown Frisco.
Rebuild a road that hasn't been touched in over 25 years.
And with the project comes a much-needed sidewalk.
We are fully reconstructing Meadow Hill Drive between Preston Road and Rogers Road.
The eastbound lane in Meadow Hill is the first to be rebuilt, with westbound lane traffic open only.
We are completely redoing the subgrade, redoing the roadway. It's going to be a concrete 2-lane roadway when we're done. But there won't be any curb and gutter. We're just going to do some drainage ditch improvements on each side to help with the flow of water.
All work will be done in the right-of-way owned by the city. The project also includes a sidewalk on the north side of the street, connecting with the current sidewalk just west of Rogers Road.
That new sidewalk connection will be great for the kids going to school. Right now, they kind of walk along the north side of the roadway. So this will give them a safer route that's separated from the road on a brand new 5-foot sidewalk to get to the school.
Voter-approved bonds paid for the project, which cost about $5 million. And residents will have access to their homes throughout the project.
We decided, because it's only a 2-lane roadway, construction is kind of difficult. When people live here, and in order to make sure everyone has access 24/7, we decided we're just going to keep it one way for the entire project. We'll work on one lane at a time and then switch and work on the other lane, so that way we don't have to completely shut down the road.
The city encourages residents to communicate with them about any issues.
Let us know when something is going wrong. Please reach out to us, email us, call us, and we will get our project manager and our street inspectors out here right away.
This phase is expected to take about a year to complete.
The whole road needs to be reconstructed all the way to North County. The second phase is already in design between Rogers and North County. We're going to do our best and try to do it as quickly as possible. So I hope everyone will be patient with us.
To keep up with the project, visit friscotexas.gov/Meadow Hill.